Hello, my YouTubers. This is your cameraman, Daniel Drupsky, for January 6, 2023, and still more construction. Sorry I was not even here. I was taking care of business. I see these two guys over there probably chatting, I don't know, thinking about life. Yep. And I think they did something when I was gone. Yep. They didn't tear down that much. Right now it's about almost like it's about 2:55 right now. It's kind of cloudy. It's 45 degrees out there right now in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Yep. We'll be making some more videos when they turn on the of these bulldozers and something like that. Yep. Let's hope they won't tear down the rest of the crap. I don't want to see no trees to be knocking down. So I hope you enjoyed this little short update of the construction on Laurel Boulevard, and I'll see you a little later for more if they ever turn on these more of these trucks. Till then, comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like these other videos. Later, folks. Bye.